Okay, dear student, now I want to ask, what is your name?
My name is blah blah blah.
Where do you live?
I live in blah blah blah.
How old are you?
I am blah 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 years old.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
What class are you in?
I am blah 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 standard.
What is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is blah blah blah.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is blah blah blah.
How many brothers do you have?
I have blah 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 brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have blah 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 sister.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is blah blah blah.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is blah blah blah.
Okay, thank you very much.